Hi, this is Ron Janish, and this video is going to show you some interesting techniques that you can use right away for targets. Okay, and I'm going to show you something new that we have. One of the things that we found over time, and that is that if you come, or anyway, into Elliott wave, you just find the end of the beginning there at the bottom, and see, this is the 1, this is the 2, and whoops, 100%. Usually most moves will go up 100% from the pivot 2. Okay, once in a while they won't, and in the 45-minute video we cover situations when that doesn't happen and how to recognize that ahead of time. One of the things we also cover in the 45-minute video is that when you find the 1 and the 2, which, by the way, we show you how to do that. That's not rocket science. It's easier with certain tools and certain measurements, but so you don't get fooled. One of the things I find is that prices go past that 100% point quite a bit, and if they spend enough time past it, and here they did, they'll go past the 161% point. Okay, that's something else you need to know. Let's see some more examples of this. All right. Okay. And by the way, in the 45-minute video, I show you what to look for, so you have a high probability of having a 1. See, here you go, 100%, goes past the 100% of this one here. But in the video, I show you that, well, the 1, I would not have used this one here, and I show you exactly why, and how you can know which one to use. We use this one here, and notice it went past the 100% point and spent enough time past here, when we talk about what enough time is, so that it goes past the 161.8% point. See? So we talk about those kind of things in the video because it's just nice to know how far things are going to go, but that really isn't what the video is about. I mean, here's a 100% point, here's a 1.168, and 2, even past the 2.1. And I normally don't use Fibonacci corrections or retracements or stuff like that, or advancements. But in this case, it's really kind of handy. But what I do is I show you exactly what I use in order to determine when I probably have a P2 and when it's going to have one heck of a move. Can't guarantee it. There's going to be failures. Let me show you a failure. Here's a failure. Gotta be a failure once in a while, right? Well, there are. See, here's a 1. Here's a 2 by the book, and didn't make it up to the 100% point. Okay, but instead we had a sell over here, so it still worked out on the other side. Okay, so but on this one here, let's see what it did. Come on, 100% past the 161.8% point. Okay, and by the way, if it spends enough time past the 100, it's going to spend. It's going to go past the 1.618. And the other part that's really interesting is if it goes past the 1.618, you typically have a 5+ wave move in progress. Okay, that it's made, and that's interesting to know. See, here we go. Here's one more example. made it past the more than enough time past the 100% point, and then boom. So here's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, there's your Elliott wave stuff, right? And I really don't teach Elliott wave, but I show you how you can combine Andrews and Elliott wave in a simple version of Elliott wave. I'm very focused, very succinct, simple version of Elliott wave to help you find these incredibly powerful moves. Now, there's a lot of things you can do with combining Andrews and Elliott wave, but if we start you out with these powerful moves, and if you can get that up and running, you'll probably want to take the course. That's the whole idea of getting you to see the 45-minute video. So to find the 45-minute video, you go to powertrendinvesting.com. Let's go over there. Well, that's not it. Go to powertrendinvesting.com. See, they got the wave there. That's not me. And click on ebook and video and click here, and you can do it, and you're in biz. Okay, and what this is the video. It covers the same material in the ebook that we're going to be releasing at a later point in time, and what this give you some idea as to the table of contents. This is what we cover in there. We talk about Andrews rules and Andrews rules combined with Elliott wave, and letting the rules work for you, and using software for this, and entering the trade and exiting the trade, and getting started with minimal risk, and most importantly, we talk about the 3 steps, because there are 3 easy steps that you need to take in order to make this work and work well. And if you follow the 3 steps, chances are you'll have some pretty decent success. So the 3 steps are really important. Okay, and see here we get into Elliott thrust rules and Elliott rule of alternation. And so if you don't know Elliott, that's fine. If you do know Elliott, terrific. If you don't know Andrews, that's fine. If you do know Andrews, or how to draw the lines and stuff, that's terrific. But this is going to take you into very specific techniques, right? And the whole focus is how to finding momentum moves early by combining Andrews techniques and Elliott wave. That's what it's all about. That's what the 45-minute video is about. So see you there.